all my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright, y'all, it is Scotchmas. It is Vlogmas Day 4. Now I gotta make myself a note of all these videos because I'm gonna get them messed up. When I get in 15, 16s, and 18s, and 20, I'm gonna make myself a note which video it is. But this is Vlogmas Day 4. Third cooking video. The first one was an introduction video, and the last two was cooking videos. And I'm still doing cooking videos. I'm doing 21 straight. Like I was telling y'all, I got in the game late. I'm supposed to do these every day in December, but I'm doing them as I'm catching up because I was just so exhausted after Thanksgiving. So I'm going to catch up and extend December out 10 days. How about that? I can do that. Because we the old school soul food over here. We can do what we want. But anyway, I'm going to do some little braised turkey wings. I'm going to do them in the Instant Pot. It's something I haven't done in a long time. I hope I get the timing right. I think it's 45 minutes. We're going to find out when I do them, actually. An Instant Pot, which Instant Pot, all it is a slash crock pot, slow cooker, pressure cooker, fryer, saute, you make yogurt in it. You do all kinds of things in this machine. I've had this about 6 years, this Instant Pot, and it's amazing piece of equipment. You cook food in more than half the time than you do in the regular conventional oven. So what I'm gonna do, I got some nice turkey wings here, y'all. Huge turkey wings. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off, wash. I already washed them. I'm gonna wash them again real good. Then I'm gonna cut them down really good in half where they'll fit in here nicely. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season them with salt and pepper. I'm gonna dust them in flour. Then I'm gonna cut this thing on really, really hot, and we're gonna sear them off in here. I'm gonna brown them on each side. Yeah, if we brown them on each side, I'm gonna take them out, put a little onions in, chopped onions in there, right in this thing. I'm gonna show y'all. After I cut the onions, I'm gonna put a little flour in here, a little chicken stock, which I'm gonna make some chicken stock. I don't have no homemade chicken stock. I'm gonna put some water in there and a little chicken bouillon. And then I'm gonna lay the turkey back in there, and we're gonna braise them for about 45 minutes. We're gonna have some nice braised turkey wings. Y'all probably tired of turkey. Like I say, this is crazy. The things I say is probably crazy. I say I don't like turkey, but I like turkey wings. I don't know why, y'all. It things is probably don't make sense to y'all. Oh, you say you don't like turkey? Yeah, I don't like turkey, but I don't like turkey wings. I love turkey wings. I don't like turkey. So I like smothered turkey wing, braised turkey wing. I guess it's just how it's cooked, maybe. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna cut this turkey up, get it washed up, cut them up, get my onions chopped up, and we'll be right back. Get this thing going. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, I got my turkey wings all cut here, and you can see my Instant Pot is telling me, look, I'm hot, y'all. Let's get your meat in here and get me going. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my cavenders on both sides of this. I love my cavenders Greek seasoning, and we're gonna dust this with flour, and we're gonna get a sear on it, get a nice golden brown sear on these. So when they come out, we'll have a nice little brown little gravy with them. Season really, really good, because you know turkey has no flavor at all. No seasoning at all. Okay, now we're going to put them in here, put them in my little bag here, and I broke these turkey legs down a little. I just cracked the bone so they'll kind of fit better into the Instant Pot. I'm going to do a dusting my flour there. Dust the flour off and just put them right down in here. We're going to get a good sear on these. One thing about it, like the Instant Pot, it does so many purposes. I'm going to move y'all over so y'all can see what I'm doing. See what I'm doing here. Y'all over here where y'all can get a good look. There we go. Right there. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a good sear on them. And when I mean sear, I'm going to get a good color on them, both sides. Take them off. I'm going to throw my onions in there, get a good color on there. And I'm going to put some flour in there, get a good color on them. And then we're going to put my water in there with my bouillon base. And we'll be good to go. We're going to cook this thing for 45 minutes. And we will be good to go. I say, this thing has so multi-purposes, y'all. Multi-purposes. Right there. So I'm gonna step up here, y'all, get this seared off. And we'll come back when it's seared off here. Brown off, seared off, same thing. And I'm gonna show you the next step. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, I got the tips out here, the last of the wings in there. Now, what we gonna do now, y'all, I'm gonna put my onions right in here. Throw them onions right in there. See all them what Emerald Lagasse would say, yum yums. We'll get all them little yum yums up out of there. Like I said, y'all, you can do all your cooking in this one pot here. Everything gonna be doing, my sauteing and everything gonna be in this one pot. And like I say, we're gonna scrape all them little morsels down at the bottom. That's all flavor right there, y'all. That's all flavor right there. If y'all don't have an Instant Pot, I'm gonna start, like I say, doing more recipes with Instant Pot. My next video probably gonna be in the Instant Pot. Just kind of do it. I got 21 days straight of cooking, so I'm trying to be creative in everything here. All right, see that? Got all that stuff off the bottom there. With them onions, sweating them onions down in there. Now I'm gonna get my dirty flour. Y'all know my dirty flour here. The dirty flour lady, look out. Here I come with my dirty flour. Same flour that I use from my turkey wings. I'm gonna put a little in there. This gonna make my gravy. Gonna make my gravy right here. Spinning around there. Now we're gonna get our water and put in here. A little water in here. We're gonna turn this into a chicken stock though. First I want to get a little more color on here, y'all. A little bit more color in here. Get that flour taste off of there. Get my Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna put a little Worcestershire sauce in here too. Get a little color on there, y'all. Got my Worcestershire sauce here. This here, good little color on here. All right, now pour some water in here. It ain't gonna take much water, y'all, because as you know, this turkey is gonna have a lot of liquid in here. So put a little of that water in there. Now we're gonna put our chicken base in here. Of course, I wouldn't be putting chicken base, of course, y'all, if I had chicken stock. So put a lot of that in here. A little bit more water. So you don't want this thing, it's supposed to be really thin, y'all. It's a nice gravy. It's gonna be a nice smothered turkey wings in the Instant Pot. Can't go wrong, y'all. Can't go wrong. A bit more. That's my neighbors calling on my house phone here, wondering when food is gonna be ready, y'all. Like I said, I never edit out my phone calls. I just let it ring. All right. Now, I'm gonna put a little Worcestershire sauce in here. I know I love my Worcestershire sauce, aka American soy sauce. Okay. Alrighty. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. I'm gonna put one more thing in here. Put my salt and pepper, then I'm gonna put some black pepper. I'm gonna taste this. Need about a couple of teaspoons of this. Remember the cavenders, it doesn't have much salt in it. It's just more of a flavorful. Now I'm gonna put a little black pepper. use black pepper too much. But with this, I think it proves its purpose here. The black pepper in here. Look at that. That nice gravy right there. Now, a little bit more water. I don't want the gravy too thick. Because you know as it cooks, it's definitely going to thicken up more, y'all. Okay. Now we're going to taste this. Oh, wow, yes. All about flavor, y'all. Building flavors. Now, what I'm going to do now, put the big pieces at the bottom. So that's where the heat is. Lay the wings right like that. The wings, they all wings with the flats. Flats there. And I put the tips right on top of there. That's it, y'all. Now, let me back y'all up here a little. Go down with y'all, back y'all up here just a little here now. Let me show y'all what I'm about to do. This on, I get my top, get my lid on here. Now, we're gonna switch this over to meat. Meat, y'all. Steam, seal the thing, switch it over to meat. I'm gonna cut it off first. Cut this thing off first, y'all. Hold on here. Okay, now I'm gonna go to meat. I'm gonna go down to 45 minutes. And that's it. 45 minutes. And then this thing gonna be falling out the bone tender. You cannot cook turkey wings in the oven for 45 minutes. They won't be ready. But in this contraption, 45 minutes, you can definitely do it. So anyway, we'll be back in 45 minutes and I'm gonna show you the finished product. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, the turkey wings are ready. I'm waiting for this steam to come off of here. And y'all that's worried about pressure cookers, this Instant Pot has a safety feature on it. You cannot open this thing until the pressures are released. There's nothing you can do. I can try and I can try and I can try. There's nothing I can do to open this lid until this pressure is completely gone out of there. That way your thing won't blow. You remember them old pressure cookers? Just blow off and blow a hole in your ceiling and all that. No. This has a complete safety feature on it. That's what I love about the Instant Pot and the pressure cooker in it. So there's no explosions and all that. And you can't open it and the lid won't come off until the pressure's completely sealed, completely gone. So this pressure's almost off here. We're going to show y'all these awesome turkey wings here. A little bit longer here. There we go. There we go. Let y'all look up in here. Look at that goodness, y'all. Look at that goodness. I'm gonna find my wooden spoon here. We definitely gonna check it out here. Okay. Look at that. It's so tender. This stuff is all falling off the bone, y'all. Falling off the bone tender. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, let me show y'all this gravy here. I'm gonna step back on this white rice and I'm definitely gonna plate this up. Y'all know I love the flats. See that good gravy it made? See that? That gravy gonna flow good on top of that rice. Look at that. That's goodness. Whole pot of goodness. So, let me get my tongs here and show y'all here. I love these flats, y'all. Flats right here. See them flats is about to fall apart. Can't pick them up. See that? That's so tender. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna plate up me some. Look at that. Got me some. Look what I got there. Got me some white rice. Go with it. It's about to be on in here. So anyway, I'm gonna step off, plate this up, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna try these old school smothered turkey wings in the Instant Pot. Took only 45 minutes. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we are back here. And look at this plate of goodness right here, y'all. Look at that. Got that white rice on there with that turkey wing. And let me show y'all here. I gotta get some hot sauce with this. Definitely deserve a little hot sauce. You know, I gotta have a little hot sauce on my turkey wings. When I smother them like this. Alright, let's see. Let's dig into this. Man, oh man. See how they just coming off the bone? Look at that. They're just coming off the bone, y'all. 45 minutes. Coming off the bone tender. I like the skin, y'all. A lot of people don't. Got a good bite there. Look at that. Look at that there, y'all. Look at that bite. Hold on, let me get this bite in. Oh, wow. So flavorful. So flavorful, y'all. Hold on, put a little bit more of that gravy. That gravy on that rice. Rice and gravy. Hey. Look at that. Look at this, y'all. This is something. This is fall eating right here. This will warm your insides up. A little bit more. What I'm talking about. I wish y'all was here to really taste this. But the video doesn't do it justice. I'll be here to eat some of this. But anyway, Vlogmas Day 4 is in the books. So just show y'all how quick and easy. If you got an Instant Pot, if you don't, they're cheaper than it was when I bought this one. I paid almost $100 for this one. Now you get them for like 50 bucks. I got them when they first came out. So, yeah. But anyway, if you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please comment. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.